Hi there, Officer Oil here. My name's Scott McAdoo. I'm a police first responder in Maryland and also a certified AMSOIL dealer. When I'm not fighting crime, I am fighting friction. So I'm here, I've cleaned up the new dirt bike. It's a 2020 KTM 300 XC-W TPI. Went out, just finished my third ride, and awesome bike, absolutely love it, and got it all clean. I want to keep everything protected. So bike is dry. I just applied the AMSOIL chain lube, and now moving on to the silicone spray. So this here, the silicone spray, is just a little extra added protection to help lock out and seal out that moisture. Where I ride, mostly in Maryland, water everywhere, mud, water, water, mud, always, and of course it doesn't really help that it's springtime. So I like to just spray this on some of those non-metallic parts that are moving, just to lubricate a little bit and again lock out that moisture. And I also love putting it on my boots. So you go out, you ride, you hit the first puddle, and then you're 10 minutes into your 3-4 hour ride, and well, your boots are wet, your socks are wet. So this is going to prevent that. So again, AMSOIL silicone spray. They're not going to put their name on anything unless it is outstanding. It works really, really well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bike lubed up here and just hit some of those hot spots. All right, so right back here in the rear, just like to give it a little shot right there. Just give it a little shot on the other side. Some of these swing arm bearings. All right, over here on the brake lever, bearing there a little bit. Come up here to the front, get a little shot. The front axle, and then I like to hit those. I like to hit these dust seals. Fork seals as well. Oh, don't want to forget about my boots. So, got my boots. Let me just spray those down real well. It's nice and clear, dries quick. So, just give it a few minutes before you go out there and throw it in water. And there we go, that's it. So I just hit a couple of those spots, and but can use it on anything. It's clear, it's odorless, it's a non-staining film, but just a great way to add a little extra protection to the bike and anything else out there, especially those non-metallic parts. But the AMSOIL silicone spray, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you'd like to save 25% on AMSOIL, I highly recommend joining our preferred customer program. With that, you save 25% off of your retail price, and they'll drop ship it right to your door. Free shipping, anything over $100. There's also reward points that you can redeem for money off your next order. There's a referral program. You get the newsletter. My own mother's a preferred customer program, or a preferred customer member as well. So just absolutely love the program, love my mom. And if you're a repair shop or a parts store or even a commercial fleet, we have an even more advantageous program where you can save 30% off of retail. Again, drop ship right to the shop. And we do have some other programs, benefits with that as well. So please follow the link below. By using my referral number, it supports my family and I. So I really do appreciate your help. My dealer and referral number is 164-9274. 164-9274. But please like the page, please share, comment below, and let me know your thoughts on the silicone spray. But thanks for tuning in. Officer Oil out. Signing off.